Okay, is this gonna heat? Because last week the microwave was broken. And you see how the numbers aren't moving? And I'm like, what? I put it for 4 minutes. It didn't even do anything. Is it not working? Because this is what? A new microwave? Because the other one was broken? I mean, I see it moving around the food. Is there any heat coming in? You know? I don't know. I don't even know. You know, I don't feel the heat there, and it's just like, you know, but. If this heats up fine, I won't publish the video. But if it doesn't heat, then I'm publishing the video. Because this is the second time the microwave isn't working. It's on reheat, so let's see if it works now, because I had it in there for 3 minutes and it wasn't working. Reheat. Let's see. We gotta fix this microwave. I use this microwave. A lot of people use this microwave to heat up their food. The food stamps hot meals aren't covered, but the cold meals are covered. So I can buy it, and then I can heat it up in the microwave and eat it. You know?
The museum is open year-round and offers study tours. It's a good thing they have that
So yeah, the microwave isn't working. So I'm gonna have to eat this meal cold. They should fix that.